Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Mia here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this quick weave with absolutely no hair left out, with all glue, no sew. All glue, no sew. How I did that with bonding glue, you guys. Bonding glue is messy, but if you guys can't afford to have somebody put the hair in for you, you can just go right up to the beauty supply store and get you a medium-sized bottle. If you guys would like to see how I did this quick weave on myself with no hair left out, no sew, literally all glue, then just keep on watching. This is the I believe this is a 22-inch bundle from Asia Weave, and this is what it comes on there. It has their logo on it, Weave Beauty logo, and it has To Be Better in their website, and then it also has the hair care instructions from 1 to 8, I believe. So yeah, if a company sends you something that has hair care instructions on there, then I would definitely say follow their hair care instructions. So yeah, and this is their contact information and stuff. This is the 18-inch, and the bundles are numbered. I know that annoys me now. So. Sorry for my alarm, y'all. It's being retarded. But yeah, you guys, so the hair is really nice. It's an 18-inch, and it's really thick. One thing that I really love about this hair is that it's full from the roots all the way to the end. Yeah, they all came, and this is long, so this is a 20-inch, so it will stop right here. You're gonna need a shower cap. You want to get a dome cap. Okay guys, so this is what the frontal looks like. The frontal looks really, really good, and I'm actually going to measure the frontal on the cap just to see where it will fall and where it will stop at, and to make sure it's going to be in the center. Hold and spray. So, got some glue. I'm using this Salon Pro hair glue. Put it all over it. So I'm spraying that hairspray all over it just because I think that's supposed to make the glue stay longer, and I think it's supposed to make this quick weave last longer. That's what somebody told me, so I went out and bought me some hairspray, and I'm just, you know, placing it and, you know, getting it down. Yes, it is messy, so you may want to wear gloves, but I'm just thugging it. Take it under, pull it through. Okay, y'all, here I'm just measuring the how long I want the track to be, and once I measure it to the back, and then I'm going to cut it off. Then I'm going to put some glue. I'm so sorry you guys cannot see this part, but I'm so sorry. I'm going to put glue on it, and then I'm going to put some hairspray on it, and then I'm going to just try to fan it off. But y'all, eventually I will start blow drying it. I think I may do it on the next piece. But yeah, I'm just going to stick it on there really good. And yeah, if you didn't get the whole thing, just, well, I'm doing this throughout the most thing. I do half because I don't want it to fall down, and I just want to just go in little sections. And then after that, I'm just going to blow dry it dry. And yeah. And you guys, if it falls, just pick it back up and stick it on there, because it wasn't all the way dry yet. So when the glue is tacky, then it'll just basically sit in place. So y'all, we just gonna measure, cut like that. Put glue on half of the track, just like that. Spray my hairspray, and this is the part where I got to the blow dryer, because I found that it was much easier and less messier when I blow dried it for 10 to 15 seconds. And yeah, I did put my blow dryer on high. On some, it's on the highest speed. Some pieces I did have it on low, but if you're gonna put it on low, then you want to blow dry it for like 15 to 20 seconds. And if you want to have it on high, just blow dry it for 10 to 15 seconds, or in between there. So yeah, and then pat it down, and then I'm still gonna blow dry it again. And I'm gonna just complete this process throughout the whole wig. So this is the whole 22-inch bundle, and yeah, so this is what it's looking like right now. So next I'm going to do the 20-inch bundle and then the 18-inch bundle. So soft. This is how much hair I have left with the 22-inch bundle. I always save these little pieces just in case I may need them at the end. So yeah.
Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. Don't let me overdose, don't let me overdose, overdose. I'm feeling crazy, going back and forth, caught inside your store, but I want some more. High up your kisses and your deadly touch. Come on, keep me up, 'cause I need the rush. Let me fall, baby, let me try. Can't breathe, give me my tonight. Got my heartbeat racing, not slowing down. Got me sweating, I'm shaking, I'm freaking out. I took your love, think I took too much. Somebody call the doctor, somebody call the doctor.
Hey guys, so this is all of the 20-inch bundle, some of the 18-inch bundle. I'm definitely almost done. I only have a few more tracks to lay. You guys, this is definitely messy. The bonding glue method is messy, but if you can't afford to get a sew-in, or you can also do the hot glue gun method. I definitely recommend the hot glue gun method. I will link the videos down below that I did of the hot glue gun method, but yes, I'm already on the 18-inch bundle and I'm almost done. Turns out I really love it. It's a really flat. It's a very flat install because I didn't have to do the flip over method, and all the wefts is flat. That's what it's looking like. Thick all the way through. All the way through. This hair is from HJ Weave Beauty, and I have an raw Indian natural straight. I have the bundles 18 inch, 20 inch, 22 inch, and a 16 inch lace frontal. So yeah guys, this hair is super duper soft. I feel like this hair is definitely in my top 3 all-time companies, like top 3 all-time. So yeah you guys, this hair is really nice. Really nice. See the back. Something that's super duper quick. If you can't afford to have somebody put install the hair for you, if you don't know how to sew, and you know maybe it's your first time, then yeah, you guys can definitely use this video to make you a quick weave. You could just lay your lace frontal down, and you could just glue the rest around your head, but I didn't want to do that. I like taking my wigs off at night because I like letting my hair breathe and stuff like that, so that's why I didn't do that. But you know, you guys could definitely do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for continuing to support us. All the links about this hair will be linked in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box for HJ Weave Beauty and the specs and the description and all the info on this hair. See you guys in our next video. Bye guys.